is Fatmi Ghani talking about the DXN beverages. So there are two types of beverages that we have. One is which is to do with like we have got the reishi and the spirulina. These are the beverages which is directly helping into our health and wellness. So this is part 3 of the DXN product. This what you are going to listen to me, normal day-to-day product that we are using, which is coffee and tea. This is the lineup. I'm going to talk about this as well as our juices, which is helping us in our health and wellness. So I'll start with the product which is very popular, which is scientifically it is called Morinda citrifolia and commonly known as noni. And this, when it is fermented, it is called morinzyme. Again, it is the same fruit but fermented. It is more sweeter than the morinzi. It has got 200 active ingredients. This morinzi that is there, 200 active ingredients, and this I had started taking even before DXN, and this is one of the products which is very good for stomach, for energy, for sleeping, for relaxation. But again, it is not a medicine. This is a fruit juice which is helping into the cause of the problem. A lot of people, especially those who are having some stomach ailment like gripes and pains and maybe constipation and loose motion and all that, if they are taking medicine, they can continue taking the medicine and they can take this in order to get the natural relief. The other juice is called Roselle. This is the fruits which is there. From there it is made, and it has got more vitamin C in it. And the third juice that we have got is called Codipine, and this is a combination of cordyceps and pineapple. And as I had explained in part 2, the cordyceps mushroom is very good for our lungs and kidney. So what this Codipine does is in the form of juices. So there are two packages. One is the big one, and the other one is all the bottles that you are looking at is 285 ml that you are looking at. Now, how to use it? That is, a lot of people ask me questions. So in a mug, you take about a 1/4 glass or mug of water, normal water, not cold, not hot, and take 1 or 2 tablespoons of these juices. You can make a cocktail of that thing, and you can add the reishi powder in that. So reishi powder, you cannot take it as it is or with water. It is a little bitter. So if you have the combination of reishi powder with these juices, it is a perfect blend which is drinkable, and it is very tasty also. And that's what I'm taking it from last so many years, almost about 18 years. So this is, once it is opened, remember it has to go to the fridge. All what is in the bottle, all these juices has to go into the fridge. So if that is clear, I'll move to, after water, the most important drink is coffee. And if you look at the coffee, we have got different types of coffee. We have this, what you are looking at is Linji coffee. If you remember, I said the Ganoderma in Chinese is called Linji. So this is Linji black coffee. What it has is coffee, which is on a high-end Arabica coffee with Ganoderma inside. So this is the black coffee, which is very popular. Those who are taking black coffee, so they can replace it with whatever coffee that they are taking to this one. The other one is called a 3-in-1. Why it is called 3-in-1? It has got Ganoderma inside. It has got non-dairy milk. The milk is not from cow. It is from non-dairy, from palm seed, and it has got some sugar inside, and the coffee is of course high-end coffee, as I had mentioned. Which makes this coffee different is this Ganoderma which you are looking at. So this is a 3-in-1, and then comes cordyceps coffee. Again, same cordyceps, which is the mushroom, and it has got coffee mixed with cordyceps, and it has got non-dairy milk and sugar. So how to take all these drink, depending upon you would like to take strong coffee or light coffee, it is up to you. If you would like to take in a half to 3/4 glass of hot water, this is how the black coffee looks like. If you look at that is a sachet. So in every box that you are looking at, there are 20 sachets in it, and this 20 sachet you can make 20 cups if you want to make it really strong, or you can have it 40 cups. So you just tear open in a hot boiling water, just pour half or pour full, mix it, and you drink it. So it's instant, but not like the instant coffee which is outside. Once again, what makes the DXN coffee unique, what makes this DXN coffee stand out is Ganoderma inside. That what makes this coffee more than a coffee. So this is as far as black coffee is concerned in that mug, hot water. Then we have got Lindsay, which is 3-in-1, as I mentioned, and this is the same coffee that you are looking at. This is going to the royal palaces in Middle East, and again the packaging is different, and it is called Zabil coffee. It is the coffee that we have, whatever, and it is having Ganoderma inside. The packaging is a little different, and this is, you can imagine, is going to the royal palaces. Then I come to the tea. After water comes coffee, and after coffee comes tea, which is being drank all over the world. So what we have is over here Rishi Gano tea. Again is tea, again a high end tea with Ganoderma inside. So this is having tea bags. You put it in a boiling water, you put the tea bag inside like you are drinking the other coffee, the tea in a similar way. Then we have got tea latte. If you look at this tea latte, again it is a latte that you drink in other places, and it has got, again, what you are looking at is the Ganoderma inside. And this is again a wonderful drink for people who would like to have more cream and with the Ganoderma, with more energy and all that. A last drink that I'll come to you and explain is called Cocoa Z. I mean, a lot of people take hot chocolates like Ovaltine, Horlicks, and so many Bonvita and all that. So this is cocoa with Ganoderma, and that is the reason why it is written like Cocoa Z. Cocoa and Z is from the word Linji. So this is a wonderful drink for children, even for adults. So again, in a half to quarter, three-quarter or full mug of hot boiling water, you can, I'll just open it for you just to show to you how does it look. So this is having again 20 sachet. As you are looking at it, you just pour the whole of it or half of it and mix it and drink it for you and your family, especially for your children. This is what they love to have. So this is all about the drinks that we have, and in this what you need to do is replace whatever drink that you are having, whether it is tea, whether it is coffee, whether it is hot chocolate, to this Ganoderma or Rishi based drink, which is going to give you good health and definitely whatever you want to get, the energy and all that you are getting. That's all for this session, and I'll move to the next session in part 4.